And this nigga is making quesadillas. Once again, the Timster.
Give me some room, my nigga.
The Timster. Oh, you get all the room you need, chef. Chef. For those who thought that was a black eye, those was P fingers and face tats. You know, the chefster with the quesadillas.
What happened to boundaries?
Well, we got boundaries. We got boundaries. We also got quesadillas on the grill.
Give a nigga some room.
The Timster. Oh, you got all the room you need.
You annoying, man.
This is ready. You see this over here. This going on the grill next. You feel me?
No, it's not.
See that thing sizzling on the grill, making them fresh. Not regular quesadillas, steak quesadillas. Steak. I'm gonna take y'all down here. I'm gonna take you down here to the finished product.
Where we get steak from?
Yeah, the shredded. You know what I'm saying? What I've been eating on this morning. You feel me? You see that stuffed queso? You see that stuffed quesadilla? Y'all see it? Flight. Yes, flight.